Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be adding more domains to the MukHost cPanel and then installing WordPress. It's very simple. Scroll down to the domain's names and click on the domain's icon. Wait for it to load and add a domain name. I'm going to get a little creative and use jellypepper.us. Click on Add Domain. Once done, scroll down to Manage Domain and type in the new directory in the document root box. Click on Update. Successfully updated, scroll back up to the home icon and click on it. Next, you will be scrolling down to the File Manager icon and clicking on it. Here you will create a new folder with your domain name. Go back to Home and scroll down to the very end of the control panel and click on WordPress. Type in your domain name and install WordPress. Wait for it to install. All done, click on the link and choose a language. Click on Continue and choose a site title. Next, add in your username and put in a password, preferably a stronger one. I'm just going to be a little lazy here. Type in your email account and finally install WordPress. All done, you now have username and password for your WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day.